In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning dashboards using Canva. We'll dive into the steps that'll help you transform raw data into visually engaging dashboards, ideal for any presentation or report. So, let's get started. First, head over to the Canva website or launch the app on your device. If you don't already have an account, creating one is simple and free. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Canva homepage, and you'll notice the search bar at the top. Enter Dashboard into the search bar, and you'll be presented with a variety of dashboard template options to choose from. These templates are an excellent starting point, especially if you're new to design or just looking for some creative inspiration. Now that you've picked a template, it's time to customize it to fit your needs. Click the Use this template button to open it in the editor. On the left side, you'll see various tabs with different design elements, such as text, photos, and charts. If your dashboard requires specific branding, use your brand's colors and fonts to maintain consistency. You can easily update colors and fonts by selecting the text or element you want to change and using the edit tools at the top. Next, let's input your data. Most dashboards require charts or graphs to make the data visually comprehensible. Under the Elements tab, you'll find a variety of charts to choose from. Select the one that best represents your data, for instance, a bar graph, pie chart, or line graph. Once you've added the chart to your dashboard, click on it to enter your data in the respective fields. Canva allows you to enter the information directly or import it from a CSV file if you have larger data sets. Incorporate additional design elements to enhance readability and appeal. Consider adding icons or images that relate to the data you're displaying. Canva has an extensive library, but you can also upload your own images by going to the Uploads tab. Remember, the purpose of a dashboard is to simplify complex data, so keep your design clean and avoid cluttering it with unnecessary elements. As you make changes, don't forget to regularly preview your design to ensure all the elements align properly and the information is clearly communicated. Once you're happy with the layout and content, click the Share button in the top right corner to either download your dashboard in your preferred format, such as PNG or PDF, or share it directly with others. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create a custom, professional quality dashboard using Canva. It's a powerful tool that streamlines the design process, allowing you to focus on crafting effective visual stories from your data. That's all for today's session. Be sure to explore more of Canva's features and have fun experimenting with your designs. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!